Welcome to this Fabricville tutorial. Today we are going to see how to sew a corner hem. This hem is easy to make and looks pretty on both sides. To make this hem, I first mark the future finish lines 2 cm from the edges. Then I mark a line through the intersection at a 45 degrees angle from the edges. And a second line at 5 mm that I cut off. I'm going to fold along the first diagonal line and I press. I will now fold the raw edges 1 cm to the finish line and I press. Then I fold back a second time along the finish line and press again. This will create a diagonal line at the angle. Now I stitch, staying close to the inner edge. Arriving at the corner, I keep the needle down, raise the presser foot, pivot the fabric, lower the presser foot and continue stitching. And our corner hem is finished. Thanks for watching.